So welcome to part 2. It's where I start to dismantle my Mazda 6 and find out exactly what damage has been caused. So as I said in the last video, this is my first car dismantle. To be honest, I haven't rebuilt a car bodywork in this sense. I've done small bits under the bonnet, but typically I've never rebuilt a damaged car. So the first place I thought probably best to is buy a workshop manual. eBay is littered with them, and basically I managed to find a workshop manual which basically allows me to deconstruct the front end with instructions. So let me show you a little bit of the workshop manual, and this is basically for anybody starting out. I'd probably suggest it's the best place to start. See, this is a Mazda, it says 2014, mine's a 2013, but it's a Gen 3, so pretty much exactly the same. This will also cover up to 2017, I believe, where there's been a slight difference. So all the parts are highlighted out, radiator shrouds, etc., trunk, front bonnet, bumpers. So literally I'll have a list of how to do certain things. So let's get on with it. First things first, let's put the windows back up before I disconnect the battery, otherwise I will be unable to get the windows back up. There she is, started beautifully as always. So as you saw before, first thing is to disconnect the negative terminal. 10mm. So this was already quite loose already. Let's get out of the way. So after a bit of a fight disconnecting items, loads of plastic everywhere, it's time to remove the bumper. So quite quickly you can see where the force of the impact hit, which was that front crash bar. It must hit quite low down over this way. So what we do have damage to the crash bar, as we said, this upper strut as well. Mounts broken off to the headlights. Weirdly, it's like the lower and the tray survived. These deflectors also look like they survived, but not the radiator support bar. So as you can see the support bar has come out. The radiator's not actually sitting in it, so a new one of them is required, which I've already ordered and received. Someone's been in here already. So I was trying to do a rookie mistake, which working around the headlights. To be honest, just take them out. So that's the crash bar off. I can now see a little more damage. The air conditioning condenser actually does still work. So it is holding refrigerant. So I may get away with that. Who knows? But I do need to replace the support that goes all the way around it. Luckily I do have one of those. As I said earlier, I did order some parts and they did come in. So, and also that top strut. But let's have a quick look at the you can see where that has took the impact on literally both sides. Do have a new one so we can compare, but it's done exactly as it should. I'm surprised the airbags didn't go off there. So with the car at this stage, I'm going to call it a night. I do have some parts that have arrived from Europe, so I'm going to unbag them and see what we can crack on with in the next few days. So join me next one.